Hello, Dr. Leah here with another health tip for you. These days, many of us are looking for ways to deal with the big S word, stress. The physical effects of stress include release of cortisol and adrenaline, racing heart, muscle tension, shallow rapid breath, increase in blood sugar, contracting of blood vessels leading to higher blood pressure, and lower body temperature. This is because when you're in sympathetic nervous system activation, also known as fight or flight, the nervous system is trying to help you out and get the body poised for either a fist fight or a rapid departure. However, while blood flow to the brain and muscles increases, blood flow to the gut is reduced, causing digestive issues. So how can we intervene and break the stress cycle in order to return the body to balance? A simple answer is breathing. Breathing is one of the easiest tools we have. It's free, it's easy, and you can do it anytime or anywhere. Pretty much the hardest part of doing breathing exercises is just remembering to do them. By actively changing a behavior, such as breathing, you're essentially doing biofeedback, but without all the fancy wires and computer. Biofeedback is a technique that can be learned that has a desired positive effect on the body, such as reducing pain, anxiety, heart rate, and blood pressure, simply by actively changing a behavior. So exactly how does slow breathing work? Slow controlled breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, also known as rest and digest, which decreases the heart rate and dilates the blood vessels, reducing the blood pressure. Essentially, it's the opposite of what happens during fight or flight. As your breathing becomes slower, deeper, and steadier, your brain associates it with a state of relaxation, and stress hormone levels decrease as well. Pausing to breathe intentionally can help train your body to react in a calmer way even during challenging situations, in addition to all the health benefits that come from having less stress hormones flooding the body. Okay, so now I'm going to walk you through a few breathing exercises. There are many techniques, and different ones resonate more or less with different people, so try out several and pick what feels best for you to practice consistently. Generally speaking, when you're breathing mindfully, you should breathe in through your nose, expanding the lungs so that the belly raises. The belly expanding means that the diaphragm is moving downward, okay? And the intercostal muscles, the muscles between the ribs that help the chest wall move, they should not be doing as much work in the breathing. This is called diaphragmatic breathing. You can place one hand on your chest and one hand on your abdomen below the rib cage. And then breathe out either through the nose or through the mouth as if you're breathing out through a straw. The first and fastest breathing exercise is simply to breathe for 30 seconds, about 6 slow breaths. Use this method to calm down before responding if you're upset. Think kids, boss, significant other. Also great to do while driving to calm the mind and focus to be a better and safer driver. Another exercise is called the 4-7-8 breathing. This technique is great for encouraging deeper breathing. First, you place the tip of your tongue behind your teeth, like that. You inhale through your nose, counting to 4. Hold this breath for a count of 7, and then make a whooshing sound through your mouth for a count of 8. Repeat the sequence 3 to 4 more times without resuming normal breathing in between. Another technique I'm going to discuss can be done for any length of time, as long as feels good or until you feel noticeably calmer and more relaxed. The next breathing exercise is called just equal breathing. This involves breathing in to the count of 4, pausing with the air in your lungs, and then breathing out to the count of 4, pausing with empty lungs, and then repeating. If you want to enhance the benefits of breathing exercises, you can add some visualizations or mantras. For example, as you inhale, imagine your lungs filling with a glowing, healing energy that then permeates through the rest of your body. And as you exhale, imagine any pain, tension, or illness leaving the body. Or you can imagine breathing in love and light, breathing out darkness and negativity. Or repeat to yourself a little phrase while you're breathing, such as, I am well, or I am love, Or even better yet, think of someone else you want to wish well and repeat, "May you be well." You can experiment with each of these techniques to find which ones resonate with you. Whichever ones you choose, I hope you find decreased stress and an increased calm and focus. Until next time, be well.